this is, I mean, a judge is being taken, he's recused himself from the case. What does this mean for the defense?
Well, it really doesn't put the defense in any better position than the defense was with Judge Strickland. Judge Perry is a very competent judge, has tried a number of high-profile murder cases, and is known as a judge's judge. However, he is very demanding. He is professional, and he will keep this case moving at a pace that may be a greater pace than what Judge Strickland has demanded of the defense and prosecution.
Do you think that Belvin Perry is just not going to put up with the shenanigans?
He is known as a no-nonsense judge. So he is demanding of professionalism, he's demanding in competence, and he is no-nonsense for the litigants that appear before him.
What do you think the defense is thinking right now? They want him off?
I think that the defense is probably very satisfied that Judge Perry has taken the case because of his experience and the fact that he is a judge's judge. But they are not going to gain any tactical advantage. You are not going to see a different outcome of this case because Judge Perry is in the case as opposed to Judge Strickland, and the defense will probably be held to a higher standard, and Judge Perry will probably be a little less patient with ineptitude than Judge Strickland was.
Let's talk about this blogger that kind of catapulted a lot of what happened here. Are you surprised with the way this whole thing is played out? The way he really kind of dug his heels in and caused all these problems?
Am I surprised
like Marinade Dave.
He is a blogger that really tries to follow this case and really tries to be analytical to the best of his ability. And he has a particular fascination for this case, and he tries to balance it out. And I think that Marinade Dave is somewhat upset because he is being cast in the role of the bad guy or scapegoat in this case for the defense, and he's going to fight back as to that perception. The bottom line is that should the judge have had this contact with the blogger, that's probably not what the issue is here. The issue is, did Marinade Dave in his writings state some position that when the judge said, I've read your blog and I commend you, you try to be fair and impartial, give the defense cause to say, well, I think he's adopting some of the more radical statements that Dave made? Yes, but Marinade Dave is going to certainly defend his position in this case that no, he did not cause the changing of the guard or affect the outcome of this case, which so many in the public are afraid may happen. But it's not going to happen. In the end, this case will be resolved in the same manner it would have been resolved in front of Judge Strickland.
And what about the other motions, specifically the death penalty motions? It seems like the defense wants to have it taken off the table again.
That's correct. They now have attacked the death penalty from a different perspective, such as it's not fair because of her gender, it's not fair because the prosecution is just trying to bankrupt us, and that we can't financially properly defend a death penalty case, and the state of Florida knows that. Those motions, in all likelihood, will be denied. They're somewhat novel, but they're not so unique, and there's certainly no legal precedence to support granting any of the latest defense motions. So I think Judge Perry, as Judge Strickland would, will make very short work of these motions and deny them.
Is Strickland happy he's off the case, you think?
I don't think any judge would be happy that they're off the case in the manner in which he exited the case. But understand that he was transferred to a civil division. He kept this case at the request of the chief judge and certainly put his heart into the judging of this case. I think that from the standpoint of, well, this tremendous weight has been lifted from my shoulders, yes, there has to be some relief there. But I genuinely had the impression with Judge Strickland that he enjoys what he does. He enjoys assuming the responsibility that's been placed upon him, and did it to the best of his abilities, and his abilities were great in the exercise of his duties. So, is there some relief just from the burden of having the case away? Yes, but not in the manner in which it was done.